Hi, I'm Jim with HD Pocket Doors.
And I'm TJ with HD Pocket Doors. We are on site of a gigantic custom home built by the Gary Sinise Foundation in honor of a wounded veteran. We were given the opportunity to put 8 pocket door frames in here, and a lot of other super custom trades were involved in this project. The Gary Sinise Foundation helps wounded veterans and families of service members by providing homes like this, taking them on trips to Disney World. It's really a great foundation. It's been around for about 11 years. When we got asked to put our pocket door frames in this job, we jumped on it.
Yeah, what an honor.
So let's go inside and take a look at the 8 frames we have and maybe some of the other cool things inside of this house.
We were approached by Sonoran Desert Homes to be a part of this project, not really knowing what all was involved with it. It was quite an honor to be able to provide these 8 pocket doors for this project, not only because they're good pocket door frames, but they're so functional for someone who has a handicap of some kind. But the really cool thing that was really special to me was they had markers and pens all over this project, and you could come in and write little messages. So behind this drywall, I'm getting chills.
There's hundreds of messages.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
There's not only thank yous, but there's blessings. And I can only imagine the recipient of this house, what he and his family are going to experience when he thinks about everything that's written behind these walls. That's really important to Mike, to HD Pocket Doors, to be able to be a part of something like that. I mean, it's even bigger than the pocket doors. Yeah. God bless them.
So let's take a look at the pocket door frames we have in this house from the master bedroom. We got one on each side of the bed. Very functional, never in the way, and you have easy access on either side. And we always recommend the soft close, soft open, because you never have to worry about these doors slamming. Coming through the bathroom here, which is beautiful. And as you can see, we have 2 pocket doors on this wall, and you have sinks, you have lighting, you have tile. You could put our frame anywhere, and with the right wall thickness, you could put plumbing in there, you could put electrical in there. There's nothing out of the scope of our work. From the master bath into the closet, got a nice door here, always hanging out in the wall, always soft closure. I was such a fan because who wants to look at a door hanging out all the time? You know what I mean? Pocket doors they're cool, always hanging out in the walls. Other side of the house, we got 5 more. Let's check those out. So 3 pocket doors in one room might be a record, but I think I've seen a couple more. You can see just in this little area how much better it utilizes the space and the ability to walk into the closet, into the shower, into the bathroom without having your swinging doors standing in place. So again, on this one, we have plumbing on this wall. You got your automatic lights in here. You can put sensors inside of these frames. Everything's customizable, so you're not stuck with just what you have right out of the factory. So we have an option for black anodized track and blackout header assemblies now. And as you walk through this opening, if you had a silver aluminum track, or by chance they painted your track white, it would be definitely noticeable as you're walking through these openings. But after you have head jam on and your door hanging, it kind of blends in with everything up there when you have it painted black. I think it's a really cool feature that we've added to our frames in the last year, having everything kind of disappear up there where it's not as noticeable as it was in the past. It's a very cool product. Here's another good example of a good reason to put a pocket door frame from your bedroom into your bathroom. Say your headboard is on this side, you've got your TV mounted up here, and you've got the swing door to come into your bedroom from the hallway here. If you were to have a swing door on this wall, it's either going to be interfering with the door to the hallway, going to be hanging over your TV, or it's going to be hanging out inside your bathroom. Pocket door just makes sense right here. And you could hang a TV on a wall that has a pocket door. No limitations to what we can do. Even if you're in the local area of Phoenix, we could provide the proper backing, install these frames. All you'd have to do is hang a door, hang a TV, and you're good to go. Even in the closet here, you got your sink. You're probably going to have your clothes hanging up in here, maybe a dresser. You'd never want to have a door just sitting in here, taking up 2-3 feet of square feet. Pocket doors are the way to go, and we got everything you need online, hdpocketdoors.com.